Hello everyone, you are welcome to the Crafty channel. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified anytime and whenever I upload a new video. And also give this video a huge thumbs up and leave a very nice comment if you find it interesting and helpful. So today I'll be teaching us how to make Agbada top or Bubu top, and it's a high-low top. I'm using 2 yards of chiffon fabric. You can use 2.5 if you are a little bit plus size, or if you are a plus size you use 3.5, but I'm using 2 yards, and these are the materials I'm using. So let's get started. So to start with, because my table is not big enough, I'll be using this paper to illustrate to you what I'm going to do. So this is my 60 inches length because the fabric is 2 yards by 60 inches length. So this is my 60 inches length and this is my selvage. So what I'm going to do is a high-low top. So I'm going to be determining the length for the front and then the length for the back. So what I'll do now is to fold. Let's assume this is the front and this is the back. So this is the fabric now. This is the shoulder length. This is where the shoulder is. This is the front, and then this is the back length. So now the next thing to do is to fold it into 2 like this, and the front side is up. So this is my center front and then my center back, because I'm going to cut the front and the back neck together the same. So this is my shoulder line. So what I'll be doing is I'll be marking 4 inches 4 by 3 inches. The wideness is 4 inches width and then 3 inches depth. That's for the front and the back, and I'll be connecting it like so. So I'll be marking half of across my shoulder back, and my shoulder is 17 inches. So half of my across shoulder is 8.5. Now you see this shoulder line is folded, it's not open, and the center front and the center back is also folded. So from this half measurement across my back, from this point now, from this 8.5 inches point, I'll be marking 3 inches, and from this 3 inches point I'll be marking my armhole opening, and my armhole opening is 7 inches. So let's take it, this is 7 inches. So from this 7 inches I'll just be coming down maybe half an inch, and then here will be open. So let's cut it now on the fabric. So let me show you how this will look first. It will be something like this. You see how it will look. So it will be like this. After you hem all the edges, and then when you wear it, it will fall like this. So let me cut it on the fabric for you to see how it will look. So guys, I've folded the fabric now, and then this is the one on top is the front length, which is 30 inches. I'm taking 30 inches for the front length, and then 50 inches for the back. So I'm marking the back now so that I can cut it out. So I'll be cutting it out. This is my center front and the center back, and this line here is the shoulder line. For my center front, I'll be marking half of my across back measurement, which is 8.5. And from this 8.5 point, I'll be marking 3 inches. And from this 3 inches point, I'll be marking my around armhole open. And my armhole open is going to be 7.5. So I mark 7.5 inch here. And this 7.5 inches, I'll be finding the center point for 7.5 inches. It will be 3.75. And from this center point here, I'll be coming down by 1/2 inch. And on this 1/2 inch, I'll be marking a curved line to meet this point. Next, I'll be taking my neckline, and I'm taking 4 inches for the neck width and then 3 inches for the neck depth. The front and the back is going to be the same measurement. So it's both for the front and the back neckline. So I'll be connecting the line with my curved ruler. So this is it. Ensure to pin your work whenever you are sewing, because some materials are very difficult to handle, especially this one I'm dealing with. So I pin it first so that I can get it correctly. So this is it. 4 inches for the neck width and then 3 inches for the neck depth. So this is it. Next, I'll be cutting it out. So I'll be cutting the neckline first and then the armhole. This is the only thing we want. You don't slit the shoulder. The shoulder is closed. It's folded. And the center front and the center back is also closed. And there's not going to be a seam. Only to hem all the edges. Then you finish your Agbada top. So this is it. Very easy to sew. So I'll be opening it to show you how it looks. So guys, this is the neckline and these are the armholes. So what I'm going to do next is to tape around the neckline and the armholes, and then after I'll sew with 1/2 inch around all the 4 corners of the top, and I'll come and show you the finishing look. So this is how it looks after taping the neckline. See how beautiful it looks? I tape it neatly, and after I gave it a good press, I iron everything, and this is the armhole, and I went ahead and then hem all the edges, and after I iron it nicely. So this is how it looks. So this is it. We have come to the end of today's video. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then give it a thumbs up and share for others also to learn. We never stop learning. Never give up on what you are doing. Continue doing it. The time will come, you'll see how perfect you'll be. So share, subscribe, and also turn on your notification bell to be informed anytime I upload a new video. You can rock it with jeans, leggings, anyhow you want to dress with it. Very beautiful top. Simple and nice for all occasions. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.